Hey there, welcome to the Mindstorm channel. Why did the computer get glasses? Because to improve its website. And why did the computer sneeze? Because it had a virus. It had a virus. Some people tell me I talk too fast. Do I talk too fast to you? I don't think I talk too fast, but maybe I do. I don't know. So I guess I talk fast because I'm nervous to be on the YouTubes, or maybe I'm just excited. Because I found a cool idea for making money with AI. Making money with AI. Did I mention a welcome to the Mindstorm channel? It's a great channel for great ideas for great people who love making money online. Or for YouTubers or entrepreneurs who love getting ideas on all kinds of stuff. All kinds of stuff. Today, like I said, I'm going to show you a cool way to make some money with AI. Now, the tip I'm going to show you doesn't use AI, but it uses AI. That doesn't make sense, does it? It does though. Watch. Okay, so you might probably know that we're at the beginning of what I would call an AI gold rush. Because, hey, there are hundreds of AI software and AI tools and AI browser extensions coming out almost every day, every single day, and sometimes every single week. But they are coming out quickly. And some of them are all competing with each other. Like, for example, tools that help you write. Writing tools are all over the place, and they're all competing against each other. You know how people say, during a gold rush, everybody wants to dig for the gold. But don't dig for the gold. Sell the shovels. Now, one of the ways we're going to sell the shovel is to use a cool website called Futuretools.io. And we're going to use this site to our advantage. FutureTools is a totally free website, and it'll help you find all of the AI tools that are coming out. It's a free directory, and it gets updated every week. Maybe it gets updated every day. I don't know. But every time I visit the site, there's something new. Something new. They've got all kinds of AI tools, and they're all organized by lots of different categories. You can filter them all by the most popular. Or you can filter them all by the newest and see what just came out. There's so many of them. So many of them. And all you have to do is click on one of them that looks cool to you. And then it'll just click on over to the actual website. So this is step one of how we're going to make some money with AI. So now what you're going to want to do is compile a list of maybe 5 or 6 or 10 tools that you think look pretty awesome, pretty nifty, pretty neato. Pick ones out that are interesting to you, because there are so many to choose from. Just look around. Maybe you want to stay in a specific category like marketing or something. But in the end, you want to make a list of 5 or 6 or 10 of these cool AI tools. Now here's the fun part. Kind of like hunting for Easter eggs or something, or mining for gold. Once you've compiled your list of these AI tools, you're going to just click on each of them. For example, here's one, Content at Scale. Just click through to the website. Once you're on the site, scroll down to the bottom of the website, way down here at the bottom. You're looking for a section that says affiliates, or sometimes maybe it'll say partners or partner program. Aha! We struck gold. Now this is the way we're going to make some money. We're going to use the AI apps and their affiliate marketing. What I'm about to show you is totally free too. If you don't know, affiliate marketing is a way to get paid every time somebody signs up to a product with your referral link. And getting on this huge AI wave right now, it's pretty easy to make money with this cool marketing idea. Because one of the hardest things about affiliate marketing is trying to find legit, new, and interesting products to promote. But with this huge AI gold rush thing happening, companies are coming up with some genius and compelling software products. Every single day, it's almost impossible to keep up with the new AI products coming out, and that's great news for us. Great news, because there's no competition. We've got so many products to promote, and because we're affiliates, we don't have to create the tools, we don't have to deal with customer service, and all we gotta do is get the links in front of other people and hopefully sit back and earn passive income. What's even way more cooler is that everybody is happy. The product creators are happy because they're getting traffic to their tools. The customers are happy because they're getting these awesome AI products themselves. And we're happy because we're getting paid to introduce the customers to the products. It's a win-win-win. Now, once you have your 5 or 6 or 10 products that have affiliate or partner programs, like Content at Scale. And look, this one will pay you 15% in recurring commissions. They say that that's $75 to $300 a month, per month for each referral. I mean, that's just for one referral. What if you got 10 people to actually buy the subscription? All you really have to do is introduce your customers to the product and let the AI tools website hopefully sell them on the subscription. Now, no, you're not going to start spamming all over social media. That's not cool. There's another step you got to take. Most affiliate marketers don't provide any value. All they do is throw the link out and they hope somebody will buy from it. but I got a way to make it more valuable to your customers. The best and most effective way to help sell a product is to show your visitors and customers how to use the tool. Now, since the tool is new to you, you probably don't know how to use it at all. That's fine, that's cool. But check this out, we're gonna use good old ChatGPT to help us understand the product. First, head to the AI product you want to promote. Copy the URL of the homepage, and maybe you can copy the URL of the product's About page, or some other page that has lots of info on it that talks about the product. Now head on over to good old ChatGPT. Once you're logged in, type in "summarize this," and then paste in the URL you just copied. And, oh my landies, look what you're gonna get! Now you can say things like, change the text into something a 6th grader will understand. Not saying your customers are 6th graders, but doing something like this will make it easier for you to explain the product. Now that you have a quick summary of the product, you can ask ChatGPT to create a slide presentation. You can type in something like this. Can you create a slideshow presentation about the above? Make it 10 slides and give me placeholders where the slides should go and tell me what the slides should look like. Bam! Now you have a great idea for creating a slide presentation about the AI product. The next thing you can do is head over to YouTube and look to see if the product has a YouTube page. If they do, then you can use some of the video by taking some screenshots here and there. And you can use some of the screenshots as the slides in the presentation. The very best thing to do, though, is to actually create your own how-to video about the product. You can sometimes write to the company and ask them for free access to the service because you'd like to do a video about it. Sometimes they'll be more than happy. Or sometimes they'll say we have a free trial. Use that. It depends on the AI owners. So with ChatGPT, you can modify the content to fit whatever and however you want to promote the product. You can change it all into a blog article. Or you can use it with a tool like Pictory.ai and convert the text into a video with a voiceover. If you're going to use Pictory, you should grab the screenshots from the actual product and use them in the slides. Now that we've got our content and we've created a video about the AI product, you can do a few things. You can post the video on some social media sites. Or, if you already have a YouTube channel, post it there. If you don't have a YouTube channel, now might be the time to create one. But now I hear you're wondering, how will I ever get traffic to my little video? How? Well, sit back and take a gander at this. You've got a video and now it needs to rank when somebody types into the search field on YouTube. So we're going to use a little tool that I use all the time. It's called VidIQ. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Yes, it's an affiliate link, and if you click on it, I might get to buy another mousepad because mine is worn out, and it's my soulmate. So we're going to use this valuable tool, this VidIQ. Okay, it's got lots of great uses, but the one we're going to use is this one, here, this keyword tool. So now, whichever tool that you made your video on and want to promote, you're going to type it into the keyword area. Like, for our example, we're going to type in content at scale. And now look, there are almost 6,000 people searching for information on this each month. It has low competition. And now look at the related keywords over here. You can click this View All link here, right here. Now looky here. You have all of these keywords to use in the title and description of your YouTube video. What I like to do is sort by the overall score. Here, if you sort by the overall score, the numbers in green. In green are great and good. Now here's something interesting. Jasper AI has a very low competition score and a very high search volume. You can do a comparison video on Jasper AI, which is another AI writing tool, compared to content at scale. So now, we're going to test this and head over to YouTube. I like to use incognito because it doesn't have my history cookies and whatever. So on YouTube, just type in the tool you're promoting, content at scale. And look, there's only 5 videos talking about it because it's probably a new AI tool. You can also try Jasper AI versus content at scale. And looky at this, just a small handful, but 300,000 people looking for a comparison. I mean, this video tutorial didn't take too long. You could probably come up with 10 AI videos and upload them to YouTube in a weekend, while you're home watching The Great British Bake Off or something, but you could create probably 10 videos in a weekend. And you could be ranking on YouTube for 3,000 searches a month for just one of the videos, because these AI tools are so new, and there's so many, and there's so little competition on YouTube. I really hope this gave you some ideas. It sure got my mind going, for sure. If this video was cool, let me know with a like or a subscribe. Okay? It'll help me do more of these kinds of videos. Okay. So, A photon was checking into a hotel, and the bellhop asks, "Do you have any luggage? Any luggage?" And the photon says, "Nope, I'm traveling light."